Hey, this is Mark, and you're welcome to AUTOSAYS. So Ford just slipped an 800 horsepower monster onto their website without telling anyone. And if you blink, you might miss your chance to own a factory-backed Mustang that makes supercar owners sweat. Hit that like button right now because what I'm about to reveal could change everything you thought you knew about American muscle. Remember back in 2023 when Ford rolled out this insane Mustang concept at SEMA? The FP800S, packing a massive 3.0-liter Whipple supercharger that transformed the Coyote V8 into an 800 horsepower beast? Everyone went crazy, the internet exploded, and then nothing. Complete radio silence from Dearborn, like they just dangled this automotive dream in front of us and walked away laughing. Fast forward to now, and here's where things get wild. A new version called the FP800S Bronze Magneride package just appeared on Ford's custom garage website like a ghost from the past. No press release, no fanfare, no official announcement whatsoever. Just sitting there, waiting for someone to notice. Ford's still calling it a concept, but here's the kicker. Why would they put it on a customer-facing configurator if they weren't planning to sell it? This could be the moment enthusiasts have been waiting 2 years for, the chance to finally get that 800 HP upgrade straight from the factory. And if you've been saving up or dreaming about serious power, you need to subscribe right now because this might not last long. Let me break down what you're actually getting with this package. And trust me, it's not just about the horsepower. That Whipple supercharger is obviously the star of the show, but Ford didn't stop there. They threw in an air oil separator kit to keep everything running clean, upgraded half shafts because stock ones would probably explode under this kind of power, a street lowering kit to plant you closer to the pavement, and a Borla Extreme catback exhaust that'll make sure everyone within 3 blocks knows you're coming. But wait, there's more, and this is where Ford really shows they're thinking about the complete package. Those bronze accented 19-inch R1 forged wheels aren't just for looks, they're lighter and stronger, and that bronze theme flows through the lug nuts, graphics, and even the front grille inserts, giving this Mustang a unique identity that screams, "I'm different." The bodywork upgrades include wheel spats for better aerodynamics, a front splitter that looks aggressive as hell, hood vents to let that supercharged engine breathe, mirror caps with bronze accents, and a carbon fiber Dark Horse spoiler that costs more than some people's monthly rent. Oh, and inside you get Recaro seats with Ford Performance logos so you can feel like a racing driver every time you climb in, plus an FP800S keychain because why not? Here's where the suspense really builds though. Ford hasn't released pricing, they haven't confirmed when you can actually order this thing, they haven't even officially acknowledged it exists, which means we're all sitting here staring at what could be the deal of the century, or a price tag that makes us cry. Think about the hardware involved for a second. A professional-grade supercharger system, carbon fiber components, chassis upgrades, forged wheels, premium exhaust. This isn't going to be cheap, and honestly, if you're expecting typical Mustang accessory pricing, you're going to be shocked when those numbers finally drop. But here's the real question that should be keeping you up at night. How long will Ford keep this available once they officially flip the switch? We've seen limited run performance packages sell out in hours. We've watched dealers mark up hot Mustangs by tens of thousands of dollars, and we know that 800 horsepower factory warranties don't come around every day. So if this bronze Magneride package becomes reality and you hesitate for even a moment, you might be stuck watching other people enjoy what could have been yours. The Mustang GTD gets all the headlines these days with its $250,000 price tag in Nürburgring times, but this FP800S could be the smart enthusiast's choice. Serious power, factory support, and presumably a price that won't require selling a kidney, all wrapped up in a package that looks like it rolled off a SEMA show floor, but comes with an actual warranty. So what's your move going to be when Ford finally makes this official? Are you ready to pull the trigger on 800 horsepower? Or are you going to play it safe and wonder what could have been while someone else is out there obliterating tires and turning heads? Drop a comment below telling me if you'd spec this package on your Mustang GT. And if you want to stay ahead of automotive news that could cost you serious money if you miss it, smash that subscribe button because Ford's playing games with our emotions, and I'll be here to decode every move they make.